In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Glassmorphic chat icon in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Figma and create a new design file. This is where we're going to craft our chat icon. To begin, we need to draw the message icon that we're going to transform. Use the Shape tool to create a simple message bubble. Think of it as a rounded rectangle, but don't worry too much about the details just yet. Once you've drawn the initial shape, grab the rectangle tool and adjust your message icon by dropping the bottom edge on the right side a little down. This will give your icon that distinctive chat bubble look. It should start to look a bit more appealing already. You can visualize how this will come together. Next up, we'll add some personality to our icon by rounding the corners. Select your shape and increase the corner radius until it feels smooth and friendly, maintaining a contemporary aesthetic. Your icon will begin to look like a real chat bubble at this stage. Now comes a fun part. You need to copy the shape you just made and then place it directly over the original one. This layering technique adds depth. Make sure to reduce the opacity of the copied icon. This will help create that glassmorphic effect later on. Playing with opacity can make all the difference in achieving that desired frosted glass look. With our layers set up, let's add some style. Select your copied icon and head to the Effects panel. We want to apply effects that mimic glass, starting with a nice gradient fill. Fill it with a delightful blue gradient that transitions from light white to blue. This soft gradient will give the illusion of glass. You can find the gradient option in the Fill section. It's all about achieving that light reflective quality. Next, let's enhance this glass effect by adding an inner shadow. This will add more dimension and make the icon pop. Play around with the values, specifically increasing the Y value for a more grounded shadow, which helps it look a bit more realistic. Continuing with our glass effect, let's incorporate a background blur. French it in progressively using the Effects panel. The nice thing about Figma is that you can adjust the intensity of the blur in real time, allowing you to see how it enriches the design instantly. Don't forget to add a drop shadow. This is crucial as it provides depth against the background. Adjust it according to your preference, but aim for something that seamlessly integrates with your design. We want our icon to stand out, so click on the background icon and add a gradient fill that transitions from white to blue. This contrast will enhance the glass-like nature of your chat icon. Lastly, we will add effects to the background, layering a progressive blur to finalize the look. This step polishes off the design, lending a hand to that minimalistic and modern look we're going for with our Glassmorphic chat icon. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a stylish Glassmorphic chat icon in Figma. Remember to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more creative content just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!